Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be taking you grocery shopping with me. So pretty much I grocery shop everything. Listen, it's not just my house that's organizing in line. Like the grocery shop day is like a whole particular order and everything. It's like general things that I always make sure I get, that I stay filled on in the house. And the reason why I do this, because usually when I want to make an ingredient or something of that nature, it is so easy when you just have this list. It's like a list of things that you just need to have in your house. So I go start with those items first, and then I work my way from there. I'll go to the fruit section and, you know, work my way from there. And then when we're done grocery shopping, I am going to do a little haul for you guys to show you guys what I picked up at the grocery store. I have been kind of off track with my eating habits and eating right for myself. So this is going to be that grocery store trip to where, like, showing you like how I'm getting back on track with my healthy habits and my healthy lifestyle. So we're going to go ahead and go in here, and I'm going to get the things that we need to get all of us back on track, not just me, the whole family. So let's go. We are at Aldi. I'm probably only gonna go to Aldi. I don't know. If it's stuff that I just absolutely need and can't find here, then I'll be going to Kroger's or something. So let's go. I come into Aldi, I just start on the first row, and I usually get some of these for the kids and just see like what snacks that I allow them to eat. I think Ty asked for some Cheez-Its, but I like to get individually packed things because I can put them into my clear organizer. So I am gonna get a couple of these and
explore all the things we were created for. An open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know and I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin?
finish this up so I can go, because I got a whole meeting at 4 o'clock. refrigerator and freezer items because they gotta go in there already before I leave. And then I'm gonna do the pantry items when I come back. So, I got these frozen veggies. I have the little chicken pot stickers, some chicken strips, some little microwavable kids chicken strips, some ground turkey, and some grilled chicken breast and grilled chicken shrimp. I put these inside like my little low carb wraps. So use that for that. And then some chicken thighs. So next in this bag, I got some crescent rolls. My camera dying. Let me just let it out. Some sweet cream unsalted butter. Some more wontons. These are wontons actually instead of the dumplings. Ricotta cheese. And I get a lot of these low-fat yogurts also. I get a lot of those. So I got strawberry, apple cinnamon, blueberry, mixed berry, tropical fruit, all types of them. And then some lactose reduced milk. We also use almond milk, but some recipes I use have regular milk in it. And then I got this. I never tried this before, but I'm gonna use it for what I'm cooking tonight. So I think this is the last refrigerator bag. It is some fresh broccoli, lots of cheese, mild cheddar, mozzarella for a recipe that I'm cooking. I got some blueberries, the cheese, some carrots, some little carrots, and mixed peppers. I got the big version and also the smaller version. Some more croissant rolls. Some strawberries. More cheese. I got the spinach. Well, actually, they say these are mixed greens. Oh, it's baby spinach, baby kale, baby chard. So I thought it was just spinach by itself. Either way though, it's cool. And I got the zucchini and some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the fridge. So as I'm rewatching this video and editing, I am laughing because it looks like I don't buy any meat. But you guys, this was just a little restock. We already had an overstock of meat. We keep a deep freezer for that. But I do want to go ahead and tell you guys what type of meats that I do buy when I go to a full grocery trip. I buy a couple of slabs of salmon. I get some chicken breasts, which we already have here. And then I'll get some fish and shrimp. We currently don't eat any red meat, so we just stick to those when we do go to the grocery store full out. But at the time of this video, it was just a restock. So if you're wanting to know what type of meats I purchased, that is that. So I am back. It is days later, probably a week later. But I want to go ahead and finish showing y'all what I got from the grocery store because I had every intention to film a pantry cleanup. And it just didn't happen. But I still want to show y'all the things that I usually get from the grocery store, like the basic stuff, you know, to stay on our eating habits, decent eating habits. So as far as in the fruit category, I do buy, see, they're almost gone, but I do buy these little oranges, cuties, whatever you want to call them. I do buy these for the kids. I picked up some bananas, and then we have the Granny Smith apples. And I'm gonna go ahead and sit this stuff out because I'm actually gonna go ahead and put it away because I don't think I'm gonna be doing the pantry video. So I got Granny Smith apples, and I have these avocados. I only get 2 because I have this bad habit of buying avocados and never coming back to eating. They just always go bad. So I only got 2 this time. And then we have some mangoes. I don't really eat mangoes like that, but my kids and my hubby, he love mangoes, so I got each one of them a mango. And mangoes go bad pretty quick too, so if they want more, we'll just go back and get more. So we got the mangoes in the fruit category. What else do we got? So now I'll just do the actual pantry. So I get these for my, okay. So I buy these for these little apple peach and apple strawberry applesauces for my 3-year-old. I get these, and it's like 4 of them that come in a pouch. And the granola bars, grain bars, anything of that nature section, these are the items that I get. So my daughter asked for these. My oldest daughter asked for these little chewy bars, and they are chocolate dip. And I got some of these. There are some more chewy bars, and they have the chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, s'mores, and peanut butter. We eat a lot of bars in this house. And we do eat a lot of these too. The fruit filling bars, the Nutri-Grain fruit filling bars. Well, these called Millville, but whatever, close enough. And it is some kid fruit and grain soft mini bars. It's like the mini version of the Nutri-Grain bar. If you guys can't see that, I got that. So I think that's it for the grain, the granola bar. Oh no, I have one more box, which is almost gone also, because we be tearing these up. But it is the sweet and salty peanut granola bars. And then I do buy my baby girl these little organic fruit punch juices, and she like them. Usually her juice be like super watered down, and she still got juice from over a month ago, because I don't really let my kids get all into that. Like, it's water over here for the most part. And when I do buy them juices, it be fake. Not fake, but not fake, because those other juices y'all be giving y'all kids with all them dyes and stuff in it is what's really fake. But it be like watered down, organic, or something like that if they get any juice. And then we have some oats and honey granola. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is some oats and honey granola. And I get some low carb whole wheat tortillas. Completely honest, I never end up finishing these, because I really try to just stay away from those in general. I don't stay away from carbs. I'm not one of those people who don't believe in eating carbs, because I do for sure. And then I got a couple of seasoning. I got some paprika, some parsley. I did get onion and garlic powder, but I'm pretty sure I already put it in the pantry. And then I got some more chicken broth. I hate when I go to the grocery store and I get something that I already have, because I had 2 of these already at home. So I was like, but they last long. It doesn't expire until 2024. So final, on to the grand finale. On to the grand finale. So I did get some of these roasted garlic mashed potatoes. I could very much cook mashed potatoes, but I could very much cook homemade mashed potatoes. But I don't always cook everything homemade. Just like I stated previously, even with the 90-second rice that you guys saw that I was warming up last time, it's just convenient. We do cook rice, regular rice too, but I do like to have these on standby for those super busy days to where I just cannot get around to cook dinner fast enough and it's super late. So this is the roasted chicken flavor. And then I have some long grain wild rice and a couple of others. And Jada, she loved these little chicken salad things. I don't really eat them like that no more. I used to, it was a craving when I was pregnant, but I had the nerve to start buying them in the house, and then she tasted it and she liked it, but barely buy these anymore for many reasons. But, and see, this is marinara sauce that was supposed to go on some lasagna that I had made. And I just realized I didn't use it, but the lasagna still turned out really good. So for the first time ever, I finally not found, because it was never lost, but I got some agave. Like, look at me, can y'all see that? But yeah, it is some light blue agave. And then I have some maple syrup. And if you know, you know, maple syrup is not cheap. Like, honestly, healthy stuff, it be pricey. It be real pricey. I ain't even finna lie, but your health, it's investing in your health. And health is wealth, baby, because you ain't gonna survive or be able to do nothing without it. Here's another seasoning that I got. It was an Italian season. And then pretty much other packs of the minute rice, brown rice, and more mashed potatoes. So I guess I got 2 different flavors mashed potatoes. I got the buttery home style and the garlic. And lastly, I usually get almond milk and like some 2% milk, but we didn't need any at the time. I think I ended up having to only get 2% milk. I don't remember if I showed you guys that. And then of course we always get a case of of water. So important, very important. Water is always important. But that pretty much conclude what I got when I went to the grocery store, what I got on the grocery store trip. And the total came up to $204 for all of these groceries, which is not bad. Usually whatever I can't find at Aldi, then I'll start going to the other stores, because these other stores is just crazy, like in general with pricing and everything. But yep, that's pretty much concludes this video. And if you enjoyed this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. That is TikTok, Instagram, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and of course leave any suggestions that you have down below on what you want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video.